Hello, this is Mark Sabatella from Outside Shore Music, home of mastering MuseScore. In this week's tip, I want to show you a feature called text masking that's new with MuseScore Studio 4.5, and this is one that you don't have to do anything special to take advantage of, at least in new scores created in MuseScore Studio 4.5 or later, you will need to do something to enable it in older scores. So that's what I'm going to show you. First, let's talk about what it is. This is the idea that when you have text that crosses a bar line, that you maybe want it to kind of blot out the bar line around the text. So let's take a look at an example here. I've got my bar line extended through the staves here. I have this dynamic marking MP. Let's go ahead and change that to something with a whole bunch of P's, and let's maybe just move it over to the left here. So let me select it and use the arrow keys, and as I move it to the left, notice what's happened here. It's kind of blotted out the bar line. It is masking the bar line so that the text is easier to read. So this is a great feature. It's something that used to require kind of an awkward, not too bad, but a workaround in previous versions. It now happens automatically. However, if you're opening a score created prior to MuseScore Studio 4.5, this feature won't be enabled by default, because it will change the appearance of your score, and they decided, well, maybe let's not change things unless you ask for it. So if you want to enable that or check on it, you can come to Format, Style, Bar Lines here, and there's an option here that says Mask Bar Lines when intersecting text. That is the one you want. If I uncheck that option, you'll see now the bar line goes straight through the text. So when opening an older score, that's what you're going to find. This option that's new, a new option, is going to be unchecked. And so you will see your text still intersecting the bar line, but all you'll have to do is go to Format, Style, Bar Lines, and check that option, and then you will see your text is now masking the bar line. And then make sure when you're done, you go ahead and click the OK button to confirm your changes there. And that's how you use the text masking feature in MuseScore Studio 4.5. It works for dynamic, staff text, and several other types of text.